Hey guys, for today's video we will be creating or recreate this video short.
Let your glory fall in Jesus' name.
Okay, the first thing that we will be needing is of course the template that you buy from me. Alright, thanks again for buying my template. For other extra template and more templates design, you just need to visit the infographics at blogspot.com. Alright, so let's recreate the video using the Video Guru. You can download it in Play Store. And then new project. Alright, so let's load the image. There you go. Alright, so just in case you have a logo in it or a watermark in it, you just need to hit the BG, slide from the right and look for the BG and then pinch, right, and then check. But I advise you guys to use at least an image that don't have a logo or a watermark in it. Alright, so add the length of the background. You can adjust that longer. The next thing that we will be needing is we will be looking the pip. Okay, you just look for the pip. Okay, there you go. It's just right on the filter and the effect. Tap, pip. And then let's reload the template. This one, the template that you buy from me. We have the background, right? But we will be removing it. I'll show you how to remove that one. Let's use the chroma. There you go. And then slide outside. And then release. And check. That's it. And then resize it again. For example, you want that specific size. Okay, and just drag this template on the upper left side corner. It's right there. Okay, and now we will be adding a text on it. Would be the title of your song. That's it. And then you just need to resize it again and then put it on the top. And then the next thing that we will be needing is the player. Okay, let's pip again and then photo and then use this one. Don't worry, all of the necessary elements that you will be needing on creating on this kind of short video is on the file folder when you buy the template. Okay, but we need to crop this one. Okay, we need to crop that. Okay, and we will be just needing the icons of the player, not the length of it playing. And then resize it again. Okay, yeah, that's it. There you go. And then let's add some audio. That's it. There you go. You just need to input your own captions or lyrics at the middle or the bottom of this video. Okay, and by the way, if you want to use my live spinner, you can check it using the infographics. If you are using the desktop, you can easily access the spinner, the live spinner. If you are using mobile, you need to scroll and find the spinner. For example, we want to use the white vinyl spinner. All right, and then you just need to choose your own file. Alright, and load specific image. There you go. And then screen record it. You can just use the chroma key later on to remove the green screen and then resize it. Tools is already in a green screen background, so just in case you are screen recording it or you need to record it, you will capture the green screen, so it will be easier for you to edit later on. Soon you will be seeing a lot of templates there. We will be loading a lot of templates. Alright, so again, thanks for purchasing my template and thanks for watching this tutorial. This is the MC Trend. Thank you guys for watching. Good morning.